Hi, in today's video you're going to learn how you can use the 3 inside up and the 3 inside down pattern. So on the price chart, a trader can recognize a variety of candlestick patterns. They can then be utilized to determine the best time to initiate a trading position. But first, a trader must understand the pattern's appearance and meaning. You will learn how to recognize these 3 inside pattern in today's tutorial. So 3 candles follow each other in a pattern known as 3 inside pattern. They provide the message that the present trend's momentum is waning and you should expect the price to move in the other or opposite direction. So this change on the other hand is frequently insignificant, but still you can use the pattern to capture price retracements in a larger trend. So when it comes to the 3 inside down pattern and the 3 inside up patterns, there are 2 types of formations. So let me talk about the 3 inside down pattern. So at the top of an uptrend, this type of 3 inside candlesticks pattern might be seen. A long bullish candle forms the first of the 3 inside down patterns. The second candle is a little and bearish and is submerged by the leading candle. And then the third and final candle is equally bearish but is closing below the closing of the second candle and opening of the first candle. So when you see this pattern, you should expect the trend to reverse and the price to fall. When it comes to the 3 inside up pattern, you can look for the 3 inside up patterns at the bottom of a downtrend. The first candle is huge and bearish this time. The next candle in the formation is a little bullish candle that is totally followed by the first. The last bullish candle closes above the closure of the second candle and the opening of the first candle. When you see the 3 inside up pattern, you know an uptrend is on the way. So you might be having a question like, where can you use these patterns? Where does it work well? Well, you can use this strategy while trading binary options from IQ option, pocket option, binary.com, or even currency pairs, doesn't matter. So in the next few minutes I'll show you how you can enter a short trade and a long one. So now let me talk about entering a short trade with a 3 inside down pattern. So on the apex of the uptrend, the bearish 3 inside down pattern occurs. It belongs to the trend reversal pattern family, so you can expect the price to drop soon. When the third candle in the formation is about to close or following candle begins to develop, you should open a short position. A stop loss should be put above the first, second or third candle high when trading currency pairs such as CFDs and so on. It will be determined by how much danger you are willing to take or how much you are willing to lose. When trading options like binary options from IQ option, pocket option and so on, keep the position active for at least 3 times as long as the chart's time frame. So let me now talk about entering a long trade with a 3 inside up pattern. So at the bottom of the downtrend, the bullish 3 inside up pattern can be discovered. It denotes the trend's reversal. When the last candle in the formation is about to close or the following candle begins to develop, open a long position. When trading CFDs, set your stop loss below the first, second or third of the formation, depending on how much risk you are willing to take. When trading options, make sure that the trade is open for at least 3 times the time frame of the chart you're looking at. So to conclude, the 3 successive candles make up the 3 inside down and up patterns. Their appearance indicates a modest shift in the trend. It can be found on any liquid market. Then the 3 inside down pattern is a negative configuration that foreshadows a downtrend. It can be used to open a short position. Then when it comes to the 3 inside up pattern, it's a bullish and indicates that the uptrend is about to begin. As a result, you can use it to open a long position. To determine the optimum time to exit a trade, you can utilize other methods such as technical indicators, a trading stop loss, or a different candlestick pattern. Okay, so you can For more videos like this, subscribe. If you've got a question, feel free to comment. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you need something, all the links are in the description. Bye for now.